Okay. Hey guys, this is Moshas coming to you from Moshas Reggae Lounge in the Dominican Republic, but I'm not in the DR. I'm in New York City. I'm at the corner of Jamaica Avenue on 165th. I got my bedroom bully here. I'm doing some juices, and I had a brother here. I think his name is Tipsy. I'm going to put him on to tell you he was very skeptical about it, and he'd buy one. And here you go, Tipsy. What's your name? Tipsy, right?
Listen, my name is Tipsy. Like I said, I'm a music artist.
Music artist.
You can check me out on YouTube. You could go to Tipsy Finally Here and see my EP. I got like 5 songs. I got a video called Tipsy Love Me or Showtime Love Me.
It's on there, right?
It's on YouTube. You can check me out on YouTube. Like I said.
Tell them how you felt when you come up here.
Listen, this bottle is empty. You understand? Like the bottle is empty. I bought the water first. I didn't even take a sip of the water. I took one sip. I seen him. He told me what this stuff do. It's healthy. It clean you. It get you what you need for the bedroom and to treat the ladies nice.
Yes.
And I said I've been lacking.
You were skeptical. You were skeptical, right?
I didn't know. And then $10. You know, it's a little expensive for something you never had before. So I tried it. I put the money up, and I'm not gonna lie. I feel good. I'm energized.
You see that?
I can move. I was all sad and. Me and my girl just broke up, and
you hear that?
And now I'm just like,
because
I want another one.
And
I just don't want to spend another 10, but I do want another one.
Look,
I do want another one.
You see, the drink that he had,
I'm still holding. I didn't even throw the bottle out yet. I've been holding the bottle for 30 minutes.
It raises. You see that? Look, this is the bedroom bully. I'm at Jamaica and 160.
Oh my God.
Jamaica and 165th Street in Queens. Every day I'm here. So
it's good.
I decided to put him on the channel because he even tried to get people to buy it. He was talking to
my boy. Yeah, my boy he just went down the avenue. He about to buy some stuff. He gonna come back and buy probably 3 bottles.
There you go. So guys, let's give big respect to what's in name?
You already know Tipsy. You can check me out on YouTube.
Check out his YouTube channel. Finally here.
And
support his channel. Like, subscribe. Subscribe.
I got more
share.
music coming.
All right.
Let's stay healthy.
That's right.
Stay hydrated. And
there you go, brother. So listen, guys, Moshas out. Like, subscribe, and share. I'll be back in the DR soon, guys. You see me soon. Bless and love. All right, Tipsy. Thanks, Tipsy. Bless, my brother.